In every court every day, Kenyans wait for truth, for clarity, for justice.
The key aim is to make justice as accessible as possible to the common public and at a very, very cheap cost.
We are serving all customers. We make sure that we serve them equally, according with Kenyan law.
For years, this journey depended on paper, slow, fragile, and easily overwhelmed.
When talking about our manual system, it means that those files, even when they are finalized, they are piled somewhere and they eat up on space.
Getting even authorities while you want to do a judgment will take long. So even delivering judgment themselves, the time frame will be a bit long.
Now, a quiet shift is happening. The Communications Authority of Kenya is wearing our coats to provide steady, fast and reliable internet connectivity.
Some time back, the Judiciary approached the Communication Authority of Kenya to enable them develop local area networks. So through our study, we established our first batch of 42 courts with an estimate of about 250 million to be connected to the LAN. These are basically the marginalized places like Turkana, Mandera, Wajir, Moyale, and such like places.
This baby we have launched here and all the systems we have put in place, we believe by using technology, we are also going to reduce or eliminate altogether cases of corruption and cases of bribery.
We have a system, CTS. When I open the CTS, I will be able to see the cases that has been filed that day. So if the system is not working, it means people will not be able to file cases. We will not be able to access those cases for criminals, those people who are arrested at the police station. Those charge sheets, they are never brought to court physically. They are taken to the ODPP's office. ODPP, they file online.
These days, the advocates, if they need to file something, they will just tell you, Wakili, I'm going to file, or I'm going to send you a copy of the submissions. And that's it. They send it to you, you read it. If you need to do yours, you send the same towards him, towards his side. And also when court needs those documents, it's very easy, you just need to file.
It's not like long time ago where you had to physically go with a physical copy in court and file. Nowadays, you only need to prepare it, scan it, file. At the comfort of your office, within a matter of minutes, you are done.
In corridors once ruled by files, now run cables of light. A small change, but its impact echoes loudly.
LAN is basically enabling the courts to get Wi-Fi so that they can be able to use internet to run their court sessions, do filing, also for lawyers and judicial officers to access the registry easily and from wherever they are.
It has helped a lot in terms of time management because for the judicial officer, that means I can, from the comfort of my chambers, immediately see a certificate of urgency or a document that has been filed real time. For the member of public, it means if I see that document and I'm able to access it real time, then they get the results of the cases real time.
We have Ajira digitization staffs, those who are stationed in this section. Their main purpose and work is to deal with files. They paginate everything, they upload in the system. All the files now is uploaded and you can get it from the system.
You can also research from various jurisdictions. There are various links that have been set up to enable research. That has helped the growth of jurisprudence.
With stable internet, distance no longer slows justice. Internet-enabled virtual courts have become an integral part of the justice system.
Zamani internet wakati hakuna kesi inatusumbua kidogo. Sahi hata ukiwa Nairobi unakaa hapa, yani kesi iko Moyale na wewe uko Nairobi. Unafanya kesi yako kwa njia ya mtandao. Kwa sababu ukiwa na smartphone, una zoom tu, unasikiza kesi yako na mambo inaisha.
It has made our work easier. It has reduced our workload because at most of times you have a very huge workload of bringing prisoners here to court, and you find that most of the times maybe we not have enough personnel to bring the same to court.
Mertikad's court is about 220 kilometers from our mother court, which is Isiolo Law Court. So it has made it easy for both the clients, the advocates, and even the JOs, myself. Like sometimes I do my hearings when I'm out of the station, which is it's easy for all of us.
Maybe I can talk especially about succession cases, which are so many in this court, and many a times it is impossible to bring all those people to attend court physically. You'll find someone is in the USA, another one is in the UK, but through virtual connection, we're able to connect and dispense justice to anybody. It doesn't matter the physical distance right now.
Through the internet, we've been able to even do matters from other court stations. I've handled matters from Thika and Milimani, and my colleague has handled matters from Mombasa through the virtual platforms. So witnesses log in wherever they are, and we hear the matters to conclusion.
Our main role in this project was to provide the infrastructure which ensures connectivity of these courts so that the judiciary can be able to reach these areas where connectivity was something that was not very visible in the past.
In the past, a single missing file could silence an entire hearing. Shelves groaned under the weight of paper, but now all court files are a click away.
Nowadays, file yako haiwezi potea. Again, no document also will be missing, because even if a document is missing from the manual file, you're able to retrieve it in the digital file.
Initially, we used to receive the court series. It was delivered manually, a printed copy. But nowadays, you can access the same using your phone, a laptop, and you can track the cases you have for the day. If you notice the case you are supposed to present in court is not there, you will alert the executive officer so that they can follow up with that file.
It has promoted transparency and accountability and easy access to documents. All the documents are there, the pleadings are there, so even if you say the file got lost or got burnt or got torn off, you still get your document properly in the digital system.
Now, there are fewer crowds at registries. Less movement means less expense and time saved for everyone.
Even the amount of money that these people spend, you might see that there are no readily available public transport, so they will have to use maybe motorbikes. And you find that from the place that they are to reach the court stations will even cost over 3,000 one way. But now, when they learned that we can be following these proceedings virtually, it has really helped, because the number of even adjournments that we do not have witnesses coming has greatly reduced.
We are able to receive pleadings filed as far as Mombasa, Turkana, wherever the client is. And that way, the objective of ensuring that justice is administered with less cost is being achieved, and we are grateful for that.
We are turning and moving to paperless judiciary, where we find that most documents are uploaded. So we are using very little paper, which is now contributing a lot towards greening judiciary. That means then we are conserving the environment when you use less paper.
When a court connects, a community breathes easier, a case finds direction, a citizen finds closure.
We came in to do this so that we can enable access to justice easily and cheaply and from wherever you are. Our vision is digital access to all, enabling courts and that person who appears in court, be it a lawyer, a judicial officer, or an offender. We have enabled them to meet virtually from wherever they are, and the courts have been able to dispense justice cheaply and very quickly.
We have witnesses who, for one reason or another, cannot be able to travel this far. We have experts and even ordinary consumers of justice. The internet services have made it possible for them to testify remotely from wherever they are, and it has made access to justice much convenient and dispensation of justice faster.
And that has also helped us to clear backlogs. We're able to do as many matters as possible without adjourning, because parties can attend from the comfort of their homes, from wherever they are, from the streets, from under the tree, wherever they can get a signal, they can attend court.
This project is a powerful promise, a bridge and a reminder that justice should not wait.
The vision of the president and bottom-up economic transformation agenda is to enable the common person, the person down there, to be able to access services easily. And of course, you can see we have also digitized a lot of government services. So this is part of the better. It helps mainly those marginalized people, those people who had been forgotten, to also access the digital space.
People have really benefited from this digital era, internet era, because there is no postponement of the matter. All the matters are heard and dispensed according to the timeline set.
I cannot say it's a good thing. I can say it's the best thing that happened in this time. It has made access to justice very much, possible. Yeah. Now everybody can access justice at the comfort of the places where they are. It is the best thing that happened, actually.